They says first impression matters. Then why can't you dictate the character of that lady you are dating before you guys got married? Listen, let me tell you something. A stubborn woman is a stubborn woman. And a stubborn woman, no matter how she pretend to be, she cannot keep marriage. Men, listen to this advice. A stubborn woman, when you have a wife in the house that always claim that she is right in everything, she doesn't take advice from the husband, that marriage can never last, because two captains can never be in the same boat. That's my advice for today.